Hi, I'm Timothy Mitchell. I want to explain a procedure to you that you might need to do from time to time, and it's particularly directed at white ink. The chemical composition of white ink is such that we don't want it to crust over, and the nature of it is to crust over. For example, in our maintenance cartridge, we use water to moisten the part of the maintenance cartridge that wipes the white printheads. We have found that in some cases, you may need to clean the nozzle tip of the white printhead, the white ink cartridge, so that the connection between the ink cartridge and the nozzle where it attaches and brings the white ink on is clear. Now, I've taken some, brief little videos of this, which we'll show you, and I want to explain what we're doing here. I use lint-free wipes. You can buy these any printer supply store. Get them from your channel partner. I use these also if I have to clean printheads. If I think a printhead is salvageable, but there might be something on it and I need to do a manual printhead cleaning, distilled water. Do not use alcohol. Not recommended. Distilled water in a lint-free cloth. When you take this out, if you see or you need to take it out because you're experiencing difficulties or the printer is sending you messages that it's not, the white ink is not seated properly, it could be that nozzle tip either on the ink cartridge or where the ink cartridge connects to the little nozzle, that could be crusted over. So you want to take the ink cartridge out. I use this wipe and I get it nice and moist. I mean, not soaking, but saturated. I'm going to let the water do the work for me. If I see that area is crusted over and there's bits of kind of crusted ink around it, I go in here with this and very gently kind of dab it. You don't want to do a hard pressure cleaning. You're just letting the water soften it up, and then you're cleaning away and exposing the connections between the white ink box and the little nozzle nub where it attaches. Now, there's a nice little white paper on this that walks you through it, but it's a very simple procedure. If your connectors are crusted over, it'll be pretty clear to you what you're looking at. And just getting this lint-free cloth, pressing in, cleaning away around the area gently. You let the water do some of the work, let everything dry, put the ink back in, and in almost every case, everything will reconnect. It will see that the cartridge is in there, and you'll be up and running again. It's a simple procedure. You need distilled water, lint-free cloth. There's some simple little walkthrough steps on it, which are accessible through HP, but I thought I'd make this simple video and explain it to you. You want some of these wipes around anyway. This is what I use anytime I need to clean a printhead, because you don't just want to use anything. Paper towel, Kleenex, something you had, some rag you have in the kitchen. No. Use a true lint-free cleaning cloth. That's the only thing I use. I get it nice and moist, even to the point where it's almost a little wet. It doesn't drip out. And then very gently clean that around. Clean it around. Look at your box of ink as well. You could have crusting there. And then put them back together again. You shouldn't have any trouble.